welcome back. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is the 24 pick a lock tool set. By the way, this one comes with the clear padded lock, so you can practice your skills. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it. Anyway, I purchased this out of my own pocket from eBay. It is $19.99 plus tax, free shipping. So it's about less than $22 out the door. So last time I purchased the used one, but unfortunately one of the pick a lock tool it broke. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and then I'll show you guys the product. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so this one comes with the carrying case. I believe the yellow one is the padlock. Wow. Looks pretty cool. Let me see a clear lock before. So as you can see, they have a spring and tension right there for all the pins. And then you could tell it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin. My bad, it's like 7. They also come with a nice instruction. So yeah, it is a 7 pin lock. And then they tell you where to put the tensioner wrench. So you could practice. Yeah, unfortunately one of this one broke, so I'm not sure why it breaks. So hopefully this set is not gonna break like the other one. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.